Fine. So basically on the left side we have drawn. Now on the right side also same thing we'll have to draw. Click on this particular origin point, move your cursor on the screen where the green line, it means what? It is a 30 degree of the polar line, it is there. So click on this length and write here 100 mm of this length and escape. Then whenever we observe this diagram, it is having the O point exactly over here, and here it is your front view. So just look at your diagram on a screen and simultaneously you can draw. So length of the front view, so observer will going to look at this diagram from this direction, like on this direction the observer will going to look at. So we'll take a line over here, so draw a line and complete the rectangle over here. So this line will be the 100 mm. Then you will have a height of this diagram will be the 50 mm. So move your cursor, click on this length of this line and it is a 50 mm over here and enter. Again move your cursor on the downward direction, so this green line and lower line should be parallel. Click on this line, this is your 100 mm, enter, and complete your rectangle by completing your origin over here or joining to the origin, escape. Similarly on the other side we'll have a width of this problem or width of this diagram will be 50 mm over here. So we click on the draw command, we click on the line and draw over here the line of the 50 mm. So from this corner move your cursor up to this 50 mm and move your cursor on the upward side having the height of the 50 mm. So click on this particular length and you can just write here 50 mm and you can complete this rectangle over here, escape. Similarly you can draw the upper rectangle by drawing the parallel line. So go to the draw, click on the line command. From this particular corner you can just draw the parallel line having the length of 100 mm. So click over here on the length, right here 100 mm, enter, and just move your cursor up to this particular point and complete it, escape. Similarly on the lower side you will have to draw the rectangle. So again go to the draw, click on the line command, click on this particular point and draw the line over here having the length of 100 mm. On the lower side draw the parallel line over here, click on the tap on this and escape, like that. We required one vertical line should be drawn. So click on the line command and draw this particular vertical line up to the corner point, like this. Whatever excess part are there, that should have to trim it. So activate your trim command by using TR, quick trim, and move your cursor like this and escape. So this is your 3D box is ready now. So you can easily draw the diagram over here also actually. So one by one we're going to see how we can draw the diagram over here.